Hey, welcome back to the Formerly Known Show. Today, I have picked up some Brilliant Stars Pokemon packs, and then I seen this tin just at Walmart. It says it comes with 3 Pokemon booster packs and 1 coin. So let's check it out. Hopefully, we get some good hits. Alright, let's check out this tin first. It's a Larpass and I don't know what that Pokemon is on the other side. What do we got inside? What kind of packs? 1 Chilling Reign, 2 Chilling Rains, and Evolving Skies. Decent. And then, I don't know what Pokemon that is. Looks like a starter. Not one I'm super familiar with. Then a Choodle. So we'll start out with Evolving Skies. See, go ahead, take the card. Whoever wants it, you got it. Energy. Lucky Ice Pap. Breviary. Hippowdon. Fletchling. Hitmonchan. Ooh, I like Hitmonchan. Hoppip. Teddiursa. Dano. Nuzleaf. And Lilligant. Chilling Reign. First pack for Chilling Reign. I don't know if these tins will all have 2 Chilling Reigns and 1 Evolving Skies or how it goes. There's the code. But as far as I know, it's just random packs. And the Eye Energy. Fire Resistant Gloves. Those are oven mitts. Crabomomadal. Spiral Energy. Ghastly. Kubfu. Hatena. Sobble.
No.
Kirillak. Kirilla. Bounsweet. And Zarude. That's a hit, so we'll put that in a hard stack. And then the second Chilling Reign. There's your code. Take it. And then what kind of energy? Fist Energy. Echoing Horn. Scroll of Piercing. Avery. Porygon. Grookey. Mareep. Rockruff. Swirlix. Clobblepus. Tapu Fini. Another hit. Awesome. Good job for us. So, 2 Chilling Reigns. We had some good hits. Alright, so now we got some Brilliant Stars. 5 packs of Brilliant Stars. Let's hope for some good hits. I just grabbed random packs. There's your code. 1, 2 treads.
At the back.
Oh, wow, what is that? That is
misprint.
Horrible. Fist Energy. Team Yell's Cheer. Fracture. Weevil. Buizel. Halucha. Electabuzz. Bidoof. Clefairy. Boss's Orders. And a Muck.
Do you want any either?
Nah. Pack number 2. Big old code. 1, 2, 3.
Upside down star.
Oh, what? Another energy. Weird. Another energy. No way, an error pack. That's pretty cool. Never had that before. Magmar. Witchim. Ooh, and a Sharen's Care. That's a hit right there.
That's weird.
Yeah. 4 energies in the same pack. Wow.
Hard stack.
Let's hard stack this card up. There it is. Now second. Is it second or third pack? Third pack. There's secret code. 1, 2, 3. Lightning Energy. Roseanne's Backup. Tropius. Fracture. Carablast. Minccino. Turtwig. Puplip. Piplup. Shroomish. Heatran. And a Mewtwo. And 4th pack. I'm hoping to get a booster box one of these days. Just whenever I get to the card store that I regularly go to. There's your code, take it. Yeah, maybe one of these days I'll get a booster box.
Like this one's just like the other one too.
Oh yeah, it has a bit of a printing error. Lightning Energy. Hitmontop. Luxio. Blunder Policy. Farfetch'd. Didinini. Cubchoo. Milcery. Nose Pass. A Flareon. And a Mewtwo. What? That's a nice one. Flareon. Oh, what a beautiful card. Put it in a sleeve. Put it in a hard stack. Keep it minty fresh. And the last pack. Come on, something good. Hoping for a Charizard. Nice Charizard would make me really happy. There's your code from a Charizard pack.
Oh wait.
There's your Eye Energy. Cafe Master. Vibrava. Hunting Gloves. Rulu. Staryu. Impidimp. Burmy. Spirit Bomb. Spirit Calm. Claydol. Haxorus. And that's it. No Charizard in this one. But these are some good packs. The tin gave us a couple hits there. And then the packs gave us a nice Flareon and a Sharen's Care. So yeah, decent openings. Thanks for watching.